Curious how to add a touch of whimsy to your kitchen routine? Well, look no further. I have Nessie and Mamma here for you. A quick disclaimer: this set was provided free to me to try. Enjoy kitchen adventures with the legendary Nessie family. The set includes Mamma Nessie, the colander, and Nessie, the soup ladle. These kitchen tools are not just novelty items, but functional essentials with cute designs. They're perfect for new home gifts or adding humor to your kitchen collection. The set enables tasks like scooping soups, draining pasta with ease. Each tool serves a specific purpose, offering a versatility and practicality in the kitchen. These kitchen gadgets combine fun and functionality, making mundane tasks enjoyable. OTOTO's commitment to infusing fun and magic into everyday chores ensures an enjoyable kitchen experience.